Welcome back into the kitchen with Lucy Greer. I've got my Google machine right here.
Okay.
All right, so Reader's Digest has 7 lucky foods. Greens for money. They say beans. They actually assembled that with money as well, but luck. Noodles for long life, because noodles are long.
Oh.
Here's a tradition. People eat 1 grape for every stroke of the clock at midnight to symbolize each month of the year. And if you get a bad month, watch out. That's going to be a bad month.
Whoa.
Pork. Pigs are a lucky symbol around the world because
We're
they're
good.
Yes, there we go.
Okay, we got 3.
All right. Cake.
Uh-oh.
Coming full circle if you have a ring-shaped cake. And fish believed to be lucky because their scales resemble coins. And they swim in schools, which invoke the idea of abundance.
Well, I have my work cut out for me for next year's segment.
So we need a dish that combines all 7 of those elements somehow.
Well, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, you can knock a couple of those out, as we just learned.
Yes.
We added pork into the equation here, so that's cool. Tell the folks what we are working on this morning.
Okay, we're working on black-eyed peas with Conecuh, and I'm just going to serve it over rice, kind of like red beans and rice.
Okay.
So this pot, we have them already in their cooking now. So that was, we started out with some olive oil, and we cooked our Conecuh, and then we just removed it from the pot, and then we added in a little bit of onion and garlic. Cooked that, and then we added water, chicken broth, and our black-eyed peas. I'm using dried ones, but of course you could, you know, cut this whole thing, you know, in a quarter by time and just use canned peas.
Gotcha.
So anyway, and then I added salt, pepper, and some bay leaves. So I'm just going to bring that up to a boil and let it simmer for an hour to an hour and a half till they're soft, and that's where we are at this point. So what I did now is I just removed about a cup of these from the pot, and I'm just gonna mash them up, and I'm gonna add it back to the pot, and this is just going to make it a little bit thicker and a little bit even creamier to go down over our rice. So I have some rice cooked. I'm all about boiling a bag rice. Super easy. So
They even have those microwave rices now, which aren't that, I mean, I use them a lot.
Yeah, that they do. It's so neat. I mean, it's like white and brown rice, so you have an option.
Jasmine is what I usually go with.
Oh.
Jasmine rice, 90 seconds in the microwave.
Fancy.
Just a little trick from me.
Yeah, I forget. Joe is really great in the kitchen.
Oh, thank you. So we wanted to mention as well, we talked about it earlier in the segment, but if you missed it, this is great for New Year's Day, but also we've got all those big football games coming up. There are so many things you're going to be shopping for from now through the end of the week. Greer's has got a lot of that stuff for you.
Yes, we have everything that you need. All of our stores, of course, just have everyday low pricing, so we don't have to, you know, worry, are you going to be getting a great price? We do have specials every week, but those are just, you know, even further discounts than just our regular. Yes, getting our bay leaf out. So we fished out our 2 bay leaves, and this is the Conecuh that I already cooked, you know, from our original pot here. So now we just fold this in, and it is ready to serve over some rice. So yeah, all of our ads and locations and everything are on our website. So Greers.com, you can find our weekly specials along with our recipes and our videos every week that we do here. Plus, we post everything on Facebook.
Yeah, I was going to say, follow Greer's on Facebook as well. Lots of great stuff that you can find on there. There you see this finished dish coming together. I'm going to end this how I started this morning by wishing you a Merry Post-Christmas and a Happy Pre-New Year's as well.
Happy New Year to everyone out there.
There it is, black-eyed peas for you, a New Year's tradition. Thanks a lot, Lucy.
Thank you.